It's day 11. Are you ready? Okay, get your toy. Okay. Get it out of there, Puddy. Oops, you closed it. There's something in there. What is that? Get it, Puddy, get it. Get it, Puddy. Good girl. Get it, Puddy. Good girl. Good girl, get it. Yes. It's day 11, get it. Get that thing. Rink, rink. What are you doing? Are you just gonna leave it there? Get it, Puddy, get it. You're just not interested in it? I don't know, you've had a lot of things the last few days, so. All right then, I'm gonna play with it. Good girl. Good girl, Puddy, good girl. Yes. You gonna share? You gonna share this thing? Give me that. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let me see it. Let me see it. There you go. Good girl. Get it, Puddy. Get it. Good girl. Oh my goodness. You're sharing too. It's a good one. That's a good one. Brr, brr. Good girl. Good girl. Get it, Puddy. Get it. Meow, meow. This one makes a funny sound too, doesn't it? Good girl. Merry Christmas.